Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain social practice paper 2. So because you all already know that the timetable will be announced. April 5th we started the SA1 exam. On this purpose we prepare two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Already the social practice paper 1 already explained in previous class. Today I explain practice paper 2. Understood? So there are 7 mains in this paper. I read one by one all the mains. Understood? First main, multiple choice question. Vijayanagara Empire was founded on the bank of year. There are four options are given: Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Krishna and Ganga. The correct answer is Tungabhadra. Understood? Vijayanagara Empire was founded on the bank of river Tungabhadra. Second one, Devaraya II belongs to dash dynasty. The four options are Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu. The correct answer is Tuluva dynasty. Third one, Bahmani kingdom established in the year 1347, 1348, 1349, 1350. The correct answer is 1347. Understood? So Bahmani kingdom established in the year 1347. Next, fifth one, the favorite god of Mirabai was. There are four options: Giridhara Gopala, Rama, Shiva and Lakshmi. The correct answer is Giridhara Gopala. The favorite god of Mirabai was Giridhara Gopala. Next, fifth one, Queen Chennammaji, she belongs to dash kingdom. There are four options are given: Nayaka of Keladi, Chitradurga, Surapura and Alanka. So the correct answer is Nayakas of Keladi. Understood? Queen Chennamma, she belongs to Nayakas of Keladi kingdom. Next once again I revise the multiple choice questions. Vijayanagara Empire was founded on the bank of river Tungabhadra. Devaraya II belongs to Tuluva dynasty. Bahmani kingdom established in the year 1347. The favorite god of Mirabai was Giridhara Gopala. Next, Queen Chennammaji, she belongs to dash kingdom, Nayakas of Keladi kingdom. Next, fill in the blanks. The second main is fill in the blanks. The Vijayanagara kingdom, Varaha was a dash coin, that is the gold coin. Underline the gold, underline the word gold. Understood? The Vijayanagara kingdom, Varaha was gold coin. Kalaburgi was the capital of dash Sultan, Bahmani Sultan. Adikeshava, third one, Adikeshava is the pen name of dash Kanakadasa. Dash was the famous as tiger of Mysore, Tippu Sultan. Understood? Fifth one, Babur defeated the Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. Next, so once again I repeat the fill in the blanks. Vijayanagara kingdom, Varaha was a gold coin. In Vijayanagara kingdom, Varaha was a gold coin. Kalaburgi was the capital of Bahmani Sultan. Adikeshava is the pen name of Kanakadasa. Tippu Sultan was famous as tiger of Mysore. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. Next, match the following. There are two columns are given. First column, Shivaji, Shahjahan, Buland Darwaja, Jizya, Tansen. So we match to next column. Shivaji, he was Shivaneri Durga. Shahjahan Taj Mahal. Buland Darwaja Akbar. Jizya tax. Tansen singer. Understood? Once again I repeat the math the following. Shivaji Shivaneri Durga. Shahjahan Taj Mahal. Buland Darwaja Akbar. Jizya tax. Tansen singer. Understood? Answer the following. Name the famous king of Sangama dynasty. Devaraya II. Who was the famous ruler of Sangama dynasty? Devaraya II. Who was the founder of Bahmani dynasty? Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Who was the founder of Bahmani dynasty? Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Who is the founder? Who is called as Radha of Kali Yuga? Who is called as Radha of Kali Yuga? Mirabai. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constituent Assembly. Which is the sugar bowl of the world? Cuba. Which is the highest lake in the world? Lake Titicaca. Understood? Next, seventh, on which day India was declared a republic? 26 January 1950. Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty? Babur. Which Sultan declared himself as the representative of God? Iltutmish. Understood? Which Sultan declared himself as the representative of god? Iltutmish. Where is the Darya Daulat? Srirangapatna. So next, name the important temples from Vijayanagara kingdom. Virupaksha temple, Hazara Ramaswamy temple, Vittala Swami temple, Krishna Swami temple. Understood? Why is Gol Gumbaz famous? Gol Gumbaz was famous for it has a big dome with a whispering chamber inside. It is a fine example for technology of that time. Understood? What are the influence of Bhakti cult? The Bhakti saint created harmony between Hindu and Muslim. Bhakti saints wrote a simple common man language. This enriched the language of the common man. Understood? What is adult franchise? The system of electing representative through the voting of adult members is called universal adult franchise. What is adult franchise? The system of electing representatives through the voting of adult members is called universal adult franchise. Mention 4 fundamental duties: to protect the unity of India, to defend the motherland, to preserve our rich heritage, and to respect our constitution. These are the important fundamental duties. Understood? Once again repeat all the question and answers. So, first question, name the following king of Sangam dynasty. Who was the famous king of Sangama dynasty? Devaraya II. Who was the founder of Bahmani dynasty? Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Who is called Radha of Kali Yuga? Mirabai. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the sugar bowl of the world? Cuba. Which is the highest lake in the world? Lake Titicaca. On which day India was declared as Republic? 26 January 1950. Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty? Babur. Which Sultan declared himself the representative of the god? That is Iltutmish. Where is Darya Daulat? Srirangapatna. Name the important temples from Vijayanagara kingdom. Virupaksha temple. Name the important temples kingdom. Virupaksha temple, Hazara Rama temple, Vittala Swami temple, Krishna Swami temple. Next. Why is the Gol Gumbaz famous? Because it has a big dome with whispering chamber inside. It is a fine example for technology of that time. What are the influence of Bhakti cult? Bhakti saints created harmony between Hindu and Muslim. Bhakti saint wrote in simple common man languages. This enriched the language of the common people. What is adult franchise? The system of electing representatives through voting of adult members is called universal adult franchise. Mention any 4 fundamental duties: to protect the unity of India, to defend the motherland, to preserve our rich heritage, to respect our constitution. Next, last main, draw a India map and locate the places. So there are 4 places are given. You must draw the outline map. Then you mark all the places. Ahmednagar, Goa, Talikot and Orangal. So it is in your textbook. All of you open that Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom. In that book there are 2 maps are given, Vijayanagara and Bahmani map. Look at this map and locate these places. Understood? I think all of you understand about this paper. Once again I tell you, read this paper 2 or 3 times and practice in rough note. Understood? So I think all of you understand. Until you next time. Thank you.